Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this type of equation. Now the equation says the square root of x plus 21 minus 1 is equals to the square root of x plus 12. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to take the square of both sides. By doing that, I'm trying to make the equation more easier to approach. So now by taking the square root of both sides, these we cancel out this, right? So now by rearranging, we have this. So now next thing I'm going to do now is to write the left hand side as it is. We have x plus 12 then I'm going to multiply out this. We all know that a square root multiplied by a square root will give what is inside the square root exactly what is inside the square root. It won't change, right? Now this is going to multiply this, right? And this one multiply this, then this one also multiply this, right? So this, if this multiplied by minus 1, we're gonna have minus the square root, right? We're gonna have minus the square root. And if this minus 1 multiplied by this also, we have the same thing, minus the square root. This is x plus 21. Then this minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we have plus 1, right? So now what we need to do now is that I need to add this and this. I need to add this and this together, right? So that we can have. So now the equation looks a whole lot better now. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to collect the like terms. I'm going to move the expression that has x to the left hand side and the constants to the right hand side, right? So that's what I'm going to do now. So now from here we have the x here and this x here. Then if this x move from the right hand side to the left hand side, we have minus x, right? And this also, this minus 2 square root of x plus 21, if it moves from the right hand side to the left hand side, it should be plus. That's why we have plus here, which is equals to this 21 here, 21 here, this is it, right? So we have plus 1 is the one here. Then if this positive 12 move to the right hand side, it will be minus 12, right? So now let's carry out this arithmetic. So x minus x is going to be 0, right? We have 0 here. Then we'll be left with this, right? So we have 2 the square root of x plus 21 which is equals to 21 plus 1 is 22 minus 12, we have 10. So next thing I'm going to do now is that if these 2 cancel out, 2 in 10, we have 5, right? It's 5. So now the next thing you have to do now is that, looking at this equation, for you to get x, you need to square both sides, right? If I should square this so that the square will cancel the square root, right? and if I square this 5 also, this square will cancel out, and we have x plus 21, which is equals to 5 squared is 25, right? So we have 25 at the right hand side. So now I'm gonna collect the like terms. X is equals to 25 minus 21, which is x is equals to 25 minus 21 is 4, right? S is equals to 4. So now this is our answer. So now let's check. The original question says, so now if x is equals to 4, let's put the value of x in this question now. So if x is equals to 4, then we have square root of x, square root of 4, because we know that x is equals to 4, right? Square root of 4 plus 21 minus 1 should be equals to the square root of 4 plus 12. Right? So square root of 4 plus 21. 4 plus 21 is 25, right? And the square root of 25 is 5. We have 5 minus 1, which is equals to square root of 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Now square root of 16 is 4. We have 4 here. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then which is equals to 4. So now our answer for this actually satisfied the equation. So s is equals to 4 is the solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.